Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2 of our ABS Systems Guide, we're diving into real-world examples and tips. You'll learn how ABS responds during emergencies and what you can do as a driver to keep your system in top shape. Let's continue. European Union standards for ABS in heavy vehicles. Europe's rules go a step further. Under EU Regulation 661/2009, ABS is mandatory for all heavy vehicles, including trailers, with no weight exemptions. Key differences from US rules include testing protocols. EU-certified ABS must pass stricter wet surface braking tests. Each model requires type approval before sale, verified by third-party labs. Trailers built before 2014 must upgrade to ABS by their next major inspection if used internationally. The goal is uniform safety across borders, especially for cross-border freight haulers. Inspection and maintenance protocols for ABS compliance. Regulations don't stop at installation. Fleets must prove ABS functionality through regular checks. During pre-trip inspections, drivers verify ABS warning lights activate during startup and turn off within seconds. Annual DOT inspections require technicians to test sensor alignment, wiring, and valve response times. Modern ABS systems log fault codes, which inspectors review during audits. A failed ABS lamp or disabled system during an inspection can ground a trailer immediately. Proactive maintenance, like cleaning wheel sensors and checking fuses, avoids last-minute headaches. Remember, laws set the baseline, but a well-maintained ABS system does more than meet regulations. It protects drivers every mile. Common issues and maintenance of ABS systems. Even the most reliable ABS systems face wear and tear over time. Ignoring small problems can lead to bigger and costlier failures. Spotting issues early and sticking to basic maintenance keeps your truck's ABS working when you need it most. Diagnosing ABS warning lights and fault codes. That glowing ABS light on your dashboard isn't just decoration. It's the first sign something's off. A steady light often points to a disabled ABS system. Check fuses or power supply first. A flashing light usually signals an active fault. Hook up a diagnostic scanner to pull trouble codes. Common codes like C025, wheel speed sensor issue, or CO245, valve block malfunction, narrow down the problem. Don't ignore intermittent lights. A flickering warning could mean loose wiring or a sensor on its last legs. Fix it before it fails completely. Routine maintenance practices for ABS longevity. ABS systems thrive on simple, consistent care. Follow these steps to avoid surprises. Clean sensors monthly. Wipe grime off wheel speed sensors with a soft cloth. Mud and metal shavings interfere with readings. Inspect wiring harnesses. Look for frayed wires or corroded connectors, especially near wheels. Test ABS monthly. Find an empty lot, brake hard at 20 mph and feel for pedal pulsing, the sign of a working system. Treat your ABS like your morning coffee. Regular attention keeps it running smoothly. Troubleshooting common sensor and wiring problems. Most ABS failures trace back to two troublemakers: faulty sensors. Symptoms include erratic speedometer readings or false activation during light braking. Quick fix. Swap sensors side to side. If the problem moves with it, replace the sensor. Damaged wiring. Symptoms include ABS cutting out on bumpy roads or in wet conditions. Quick fix. Trace wires from sensors to the ECU, securing loose connections with dielectric grease. Pro tip. Keep a spare sensor in your toolbox. They're cheaper than a tow truck after a preventable breakdown. The future of ABS technology in trailer trucks. ABS has come a long way since its early days, but the next wave of innovations could redefine how trailer trucks brake. New tech isn't just tweaking the system, it's integrating smarter controls, predictive algorithms, and even autonomy. Here's where ABS is headed next. Integration with electronic stability control, ESC. ABS and ESC are becoming a powerhouse duo. While ABS prevents wheel lockup during braking, ESC tackles sideways skids by automatically adjusting engine power and applying brakes to individual wheels. Together they cover more scenarios. ESC uses ABS sensors to detect lateral slide, then corrects it before the driver reacts. Systems now adjust braking force based on cargo weight, reducing rollover risks during sharp turns. Newer algorithms ignore minor road bumps that older systems mistakenly interpreted as skids. Fleets using combined ABS-ESC report 35% fewer loss of control incidents, according to industry data. It's like adding a co-pilot who never gets distracted. Predictive braking and AI-driven ABS systems. Imagine brakes that anticipate problems before they happen. That's the promise of AI-enhanced ABS. Systems analyze patterns like frequent icy patches on a route and pre-adjust brake sensitivity. Cameras and radar detect slowing vehicles ahead, priming the ABS for smoother stops. AI tailors responses based on whether the operator tends to brake hard or coast. Early trials show AI-driven ABS cuts emergency stops by 18% because it prevents the emergency altogether. The role of ABS in autonomous trailer trucks. Self-driving trucks still need brakes, and ABS will be their first line of defense. Here's how it adapts. Robotic systems pair ABS with instant hazard detection, slashing stopping distances. ABS works with other sensors to avoid overcorrecting, critical for keeping unstable loads balanced. Autonomous fleets can update ABS software wirelessly, fixing bugs without downtime. While drivers still matter today, tomorrow's ABS might answer to an algorithm. One thing won't change. Keeping 80,000 pounds under control will always be job one. ABS systems are the unsung heroes of trailer truck safety, stopping skids before they start and keeping drivers in control. They've transformed braking from a gamble into a predictable, regulated process, one that saves lives and cargo alike. Staying compliant isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about trusting a system proven to cut accidents by double digits. Maintenance is the backbone of reliability. Clean sensors, intact wiring, and regular checks ensure ABS works when it matters most. Ignoring warnings can turn a quick fix into a costly breakdown. The future of ABS is smarter, faster, and more connected. With AI and autonomous tech on the horizon, these systems will only get better at anticipating hazards before they happen. For now, one thing's certain. ABS isn't optional. It's the difference between a close call and a catastrophe. Got an ABS story or tip? Share it below. Your experience could help another driver stay safe. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.